welcome to my video again. So in this opportunities, I want to retell my novel that I have read. But before that, I want to ask you first that have you ever imagined living in a quiet life in the countryside, then suddenly getting caught up in a mystery full of a treasure maps, hidden identities, and unexpected love story. That all happens to Olympia Wingfield in this novel under the title Deception by Amanda Quick. So let's get started. So Olympia Wingfield is a smart and independent woman. She loves reading history and solve the puzzles. Puzzles here means teka-teki. So she lives in a peaceful seaside village in England called Upper Tidway, and she takes care of her three nephews, Hugh, Ethan, and Robert. And this boy lost their parents. Their parents have passed away, and they have been passed from house to house gitu, dioper-oper. And Olympia understand how they feel because she also grew up moving between house to house. So she promised to give a stable, loving home to their nephew. So her life is been quiet until one day there is a mysterious man shows up at her door with a box from her uncle Artemis. So this man named Jared Chilhurst, and he says he wants to deliver a stuff from Artemis, but that's not full truth because Jared has a secret plan that he is looking for a journal written by his ancestor that Claire Lightbourne, and the journal like this, and this book filled with clues and strange code in Latin and Chinese. And this journal might lead to a hidden treasure left by pirates long ago. So Olympia kan being so smart, she is the perfect one to decode it. And Jared decided to stay close, pretending to be a tutor for their nephew, and help Olympia to sell the items, sell the stuff from the uncle. But really, he just wants to access to the journal. But something unexpected happens that he starts falling in love with her. So Jared and Olympia spend more and more time together until slowly the love grows between them. But Jared lies catching up to him. But in another, Jared finds out that Pettigrew is the local man that helps Olympia to sell the stuff or item that comes from her uncle. But Jared knows that Pettigrew has been stealing money from Olympia, and with help from Jared's assistant named Felix Hartwell, Jared starts investigating. But the people in the village start gossip about Olympia live with a stranger. Feeling judged and hurt, Olympia decides to go to London for a while to heal her brain. So in London, Olympia stays with Jared in one house, in a townhouse in Eberton Street. And she also returns to her research group named Society for Travel and Exploration. That's a perkumpulan for people love talk about history and lost treasures. And things get complicated when they meet with Demetria. Demetria is Jared's ex-fiancée and her brother Gifford, because Jared and Gifford there is misunderstanding like that. To avoid a scandal, Jared quickly says that Olympia is his wife, which completely shocks her. Even worse, when Olympia finds out that Jared actually is a Viscount. Because at first, Olympia just know that Jared is a tutor, not a Viscount, and now that she knows that he is a Viscount on Chilhurst family. And a descant of the Claire like board, the person whose journal she has been studying for a long. And Olympia feels betrayed because Jared not told the truth at first, but finally Jared tells full the truth and that he lied about everything to find the treasure. But he also truly in love with her. To prove it, he proposed her, but there is no big wedding. To be honest, Olympia just want to intimate wedding, and Olympia enough for that gitu. And Olympia and Jared getting married, and Olympia and Jared moved to the Chilhurst family mansion on a capital city on London. While exploring the old mansion, Olympia finds a half of a treasure map that matches with a journal Claire like board. But where's the other half? Olympia thinks that the other half might on the descent of the Chilhurst family old enemies, and she thinks that will be a Gifford and Demetria, because Gifford and Demetria also search about the West India, that the place about the treasure. Olympia digs deeper to find proof of their connection. Meanwhile, Jared discovers that Felix, his thirsted egg, it has been lying and she has is deep in gambling debt. When Jared tries to comfort him, Felix disappears. But Gifford kan still have misunderstanding gitu and challenge Jared to a duel. And he thinks Jared broke off the engagement because Demetria family is a poor. But the real reason, the fact Jared know that Demetria loves someone else. And Olympia and Demetria team up to stop the duel. Olympia locked Jared on a storeroom to keep him from going to a duel. But he is very smart. He escaped through a hidden passage on that room. But when he gets out and he finds Olympia has been kidnapped by Felix, who's Felix back to demanding money from Jared. But Jared saves her and promise will pay the Felix debt. But Felix will promise if he will live forever gitu. And Gifford also finds the third by Demetria tells all the third and apologize. And finally the misunderstanding are clear. And now Jared and Olympia are known as one of London's most interesting couples. More importantly, they are not just in love, but they are partners to find the lost treasures together. Not for a gold, but for the adventure. With the Demetria, with the Gifford and her nephews, because she find the adventure to find the lost treasure. Because solving a puzzle is more fun when you are in love. So, this novel is very fun mix of romance, mystery, and hidden secret. And Amanda Quick is writing this novel is alike and enjoyable. If you love the love stories with a twist of adventure, it will enjoyable if you read this. And if you are looking to an easy but exciting historical romance, you will enjoy this book. So that's all from me. I really apologize if I made many mistakes. See you.